Okay, back again to my tiny shop. I am going to show you guys how I incorporate Fusion 360 into a small project. I needed to make something for my leatherworking tools that are in this little creepy pouch that I made a few years back. It's just not ideal to go through these as I need them. So I want to put them in something that I can hang on the wall in my shop now that I have one, or put on the table when I'm leatherworking, which is what this is right here. It's just basically a 4x4 that I cut up to make this hold my leather tools. So what I'll do is I'll start by drilling one, and from there I decided to take the square out and try and manually, as you would, draw out where the next one would fall. But as you'll see, I decided to switch over to Fusion 360 to help out and just get a better layout by using the template, which is what I like to do as much as possible. Fusion 360 is amazing.
Okay, so what I want to do is make a design for this project that will keep the holes evenly spread.
Okay, so I decided not to do parametric modeling
Let's start
on
here
this
with plain
particular project
2D.
because I
Very
don't
simple
plan on selling
design. Actually, on this one,
this pattern
we'll use
or
a different rectangle off
project
the
in the
center.
future, so there's really no need
And I know that
to
this
have
piece is
the
3.5
capability
inches
of
by 3.5 inches. I'm
resizing
not going to use
this
perimeters
as needed.
on this
It's
particular
kind of a one-off,
design.
if you
It's
will.
pretty
So I just
straightforward.
designed the 3.5 by 3.5,
Now, let's add
which
some
is
construction
the
lines.
actual
Again,
4x4
construction lines
measurements,
are great because they won't come out as
and
actual
use some
pieces of
construction
your
lines,
And this triangle here, when
which,
you're in the line mode,
again, are
it's great off Fusion 360.
great
It actually gives you a triangle when you're in the center
because
of
they
that
don't
particular line.
extrude whenever you go to the
Which is
extrude
extremely handy.
screen.
So there we go.
And just
Construction
laid
lines
out
added.
essentially
I'm actually going down
the
here. I don't know
half-inch
these.
apart circles that I'm
What I'm
going to
Those
need
construction lines can go away.
for
Now,
all of the
what I'm gonna do
tools
here
to
is measure
fit
off
into this little
distance.
tool,
me
leather
see.
tool
Maybe
shelf,
I'll do it
if
that
you
way.
will.
Let's just add another line using what we already have. It's not right here. And actually, I'm going to use a triangle. The reason I am is because I can easily come off this corner about where I want to be. So what I'm doing is I'm coming off a half an inch because I already know that the hole I've already drilled is approximately a half an inch off that corner. I'm going to do the same thing here. This will make a little bit more sense in just a minute. You can already see it. What I'm going to do also, I'm going to change these back to regular lines, like so. And I'm going to do, the first hole that I've already done is about 5/16, or it is 5/16, that's the drill bit that I use to put that there. Now what you're going to want to do is a pattern on path. But to do this, we need to finish sketch. So let's turn off the origin, we don't really need that. What we're going to do is go over here, pattern on path. We already selected, well we didn't select it, but we're going to select, let's just do features. Okay, so we're going to use rectangular pattern to create what we need here. The objects, well, we can do direction first. We're going to do direction this way. Object is this. Let's get down 3 of them. And do this. Let's go to me. Maybe bring it down a little bit more, like so. And we're going to call that day. So now, what we can do is click on all of these, like so. And before I do that, I'm going to go back in, change the line type here after all. Not liking that. Okay, so we're going to go back in here, of course, and change these, which we don't want. And that one went back, but oh well. Moving on here. Let's select all of these, like so. And we're going to mirror line here. Just that simple. Next thing we're going to do.
So you're seeing the
sometimes it won't let you select them all.
beauty of Fusion 360 and
Yeah,
using the
select mirror lines
mirror
is the one
tool,
created.
using the
Okay,
construction
taking out
lines
these.
for
It's
mirroring.
annoying.
I did forget to select some, as you can see there,
So now,
easily You can
We
go
have
back and
some
redo that
animosities.
though. Again, Fusion 360, can't say enough about it.
And
I
honestly,
go in and
these-
extrude this
these-
because I want to be able to print this
you can leave
in
construction
the
lines, but-
drawing
and this one's a pain,
section
so I'll
of
leave them.
Fusion 360 so that I can print out a template,
Definitely get rid of this one
which
because
for whatever reason you have
it's not
to
construction line.
extrude it, from what I
There's a
found,
problem in print.
to make it able to be printed.
So now you can just finish
I
that.
could be wrong, but that's how I've
And there
always
you
had
have
to
it.
do
You can
it.
if you want.
I
You
did
can
delete a
extrude
lot
it
of the
out.
construction lines.
Yeah.
No need to do that because they're not, again,
Say you
going
have a 3D
to
printer
extrude
and
whenever
want
you
to
get
print
to
this
that
template to
portion
use for future ones.
of
Usually do
Fusion
that. That's the beauty of
360,
Fusion
but I did it
360.
anyway. So there you have it. You
You want
can
it to be really
see
cool.
exactly what I made
You fill
for
it,
a
you do
template.
that, get all fancy. But we don't care about that. This is strictly so that I can use this to draw through as a template. So what I would do in this case is go to drawing, and not sure why it's locked up. Okay, so what we're going to do here is from the design area, we're going to print this on 8.5 by 11 paper. So you do this, and we're going to place it right in the middle. And we're going to select the top view, scale, we're going to do 1 to 1, and there you have it. So what I would do now is just print this, output it to PDF, however you want to do it, and upon doing that, you will be able to cut this out and put it on your project, and use this as your precise locations for drilling. And I'll show you how I do that in just a minute. Thanks for watching.
It's just that easy. So you would just cut this out, as I'm going to do, and tape it to the wood project and use it as a template to finish off all of these holes. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will continue to make more of these videos if I start seeing a response from people that do want to see them. Thanks again.